Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for!
DJ Khaled!
It is a day to celebrate.
We're ready for action.
I like it when it's nice and soft. Yeah, that is nice.
How was it like growing up in Nigeria? Yes, sir, you know what it is.
Feeling is there that, you're doing something special.
Stop being so dramatic, Mira.
You should just be what you want to be.
Hello, Swaziland. Hello, world. Welcome once again to another exciting episode of Represent right here on DTTV. Today, as you can see, we're chilling out in the great outdoors, and I've got the whole city, Bab City, behind me. Hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear the echo? Yeah. We just decided to come through on a different style there because that's how we do right here all day, every day. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tamsanga Sibanze, aka did I not just see you on Channel S a couple of hours ago? Aka yes, you did. Aka did I not see you a couple of weeks ago on the newspapers? Aka two-page spread. Yes, you did. Aka aren't you that guy who's just like everywhere doing everything? Aka yes, I am. AKA the Black Superman. And it's a pleasure to be your host once again right here. And behind me, or behind you, depending on where you're sitting, whether you're watching on a phone or whatever device you're using, behind you, there is the team behind the scene, and that is Daniel Toro of DT Photography. Shout out to you, sir. That is the man who's responsible for this live stream. And of course, we do have Uncle Kali of Platinum Concepts. Shout out to you, man, for an amazing show that we had last weekend with Zwile Soul. And of course, we got the man behind the click, aka Daniel Shack, who is taking pictures and making sure that we're looking fresh and looking fly on the socials after this here show. And then we've got a couple of other randoms, but we're not going to mention them right now because people just like things. Once they see cameras and they see lights, and then they just come to watch. But it's okay, we allow them because that's how we do right here on Represent. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the month of April. Happy birthday, Uncle Kali. Happy birthday, Big Lynn. Happy birthday, John. And on the 25th of April, you're welcome for the holiday. It is my birthday. So we're going to do what we always do, which is host a show. There's going to be a concert on the 25th of April. If you are available, please feel free to come through. We're going to be out at Chill and Grill in Ezulwini. And of course, very limited seats. So you better book your ticket right now. Otherwise, you're going to be watching from the other side of the screen like you're doing right now, because we will have a live stream. With me right here, ladies and gentlemen, I think we just came from the Easters. And was it Easters or was it December when Jesus was born? There was three wise men. Were they shepherds? Were they? I don't know what happened. But ladies and gentlemen, with me today, I've got the Shepard Brothers. First question, are you guys brothers for real? Or?
No, we're not brothers for real.
Oh, so it's just like brothers. You know what I mean? It's not like brothers, like, but it's just like brothers, Shepard Brothers. Gentlemen, please introduce yourselves one by one, and then one by one, so that the people at home know exactly who you are.
Thank you, KrTC.
Shout out to nice color, bro.
Man.
Hey, Hey, tada.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gutlevlagat, but my performing name is Linda Mula. I am the drummer and the producer of the group Shepard Brothers.
Hey, tada.
Okay, good evening, everyone. I'm Devon Kambule, aka the Valuable DJ.
Okay.
I'm the DJ producer of Shepard Brothers group.
All right. Hey, tada.
Yeah.
Bachel.
Yeah. So aka Fire Ninja.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got a drummer, a DJ, and a fire guy. Fire Ninja, to be specific. Fire Ninja. Guys, I think let's just maybe start at the very beginning. How are you guys doing? COVID-ly speaking.
We are surviving. That's all we can say, because we cannot say we have been good. No one has been, but we've been trying to survive the whole time.
Okay. But I understand maybe, or I believe it's okay. Mhlawumbe wena DJ vele bekungahambi kahle. But drama boy uvela ungaset up noma nganguphi nje ushaya isigubhu bajayive abantu kube mnanzi.
Ayi akusilula kanjalo.
Doesn't work like that.
Yeah, akusilula kanjalo. But nje sometimes bengihle ngiwachecka ngoba hey asekahlale kakhulu bese lesikhumba sesifuna ukukhunza khunza so kuno wakhiphe wabekela ngene yeah uweve ukuthi right.
All right. No, nice one. Gentlemen, when did your journey with music start, and when did you guys actually then come together to create now good let's now go namuhla lekuthiwa Shepard Brothers? DJ.
Okay, our group started back in 2013 latest. Okay. That's actually when me and Slinda Mula formed this group, because me and him have been friends since very, very early ages. Okay. Right. So we came along with group name. We decided, because we've been dancers before, there was a group called Crazy Boys. Okay. Back in the days. Okay. So we're like, you know, guys have grown up and you can't be, be dancing the whole time, no music, no art. Now we need to own our craft. So what can we do?
So from boys to brothers, not from boys to men. You guys just went from boys to
how
brothers.
do you go from boys to men? You can't. So that was what happened, and that's when the journey started. Then we formed the group, and then we had decided, okay, what do we like? What aspects do we want to see? What do we want to give the people? That's when we say there has to be a DJ, obviously percussionist, because it's what we've grown seeing around us. And then now the fire aspect. All right. Which we thought might be the most different thing from the other groups that are there. Yeah. So that was like, okay, let's try this and see if it's gonna work. Okay. Which at first it wasn't really easy, because we didn't have the equipment. Yeah. The equipment is expensive. Yeah. And getting it from here, it's not possible. You have to ship it from other countries. Okay. So it was very hard at first, because we were always improvising. But
but you made it work.
We pushed.
All right. Fire Ninja.
Yeah.
Umlilo usukela ngani chief? Yathi labanye badlala ngama-drum, labanye badlala ngama-10. Wena usukela nje kudlala ngemlilo. Sisakhula bebathi suka phuma emlilweni. Wawecwa umlilo uchama ingadi, wena wavele wakuconza emlilweni. Umlilo usukela ngani Fire Ninja?
So ngasho ukuthi angadi namphathi, for me it's a calling, I think so. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wafika lo mnyumlungu from Portugal, Liliana Macedo. Okay. Yeah, it was 2013 nakhona bekatele for iBushfire Festival. All right. And then malume lo hlala ekhaya watana naye, and then wafika wayenda imvo yakhe engayithanza mina. Okay. Wathena really are you sure? Ngathi mina I'm sure. I wangishela ama equipment rehearsa. Okay. Then from there
wahamba nemlilo.
Ngalimata kho. Alimata kho.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen at home, we're chilling out here with the Shepard Brothers. Shout out to Spure Site Mazia, who's just saying, them boys. Yeah, you know, just a young shout out to you guys. If you got any questions, any comments, any queries that you want to ask the Shepard Brothers, feel free to drop it on the comment section below. And of course, in a couple of minutes, they're going to go behind the drums, the decks, and the fire and do what they do. So stay locked right here on Represent. Gentlemen, I think I have had the privilege of seeing you guys on a number of different stages. Everything from Sibebe Friday Night Live to the MTN Bushfire. What have some of the experiences been like? Like nje banfuna banbukela banemukela kanjani, especially because your act is very unique. with the fact that you've got DJ, a full-on drum, and ushale drum less scene, you've just got a full spectrum of the rhythm section, and then what has been the reaction like?
Okay, ekuqaleni bengasiyo imvo lelula because kunalemvo yokuthi umlilo yabo umlilo uyashisa udamage atimvo tape, so bekunalemvo yokuthi what if it happens ukuthi kuphuma something or the rope ishisa something
nje ku-weave yasizilo labo.
Yeah, so yeah, it has taken a while for people ukuthi ba understand it, because another struggle yesibe naso it's the smell of the paraffin, which besisengakafunza how to make it smell good yabo. Then later sisafunza meeting people basitshela ukuthi okay lokhu ningakwenda kaso then saphola something a liquid le faglo paraffin, then it smells very nice. So those are some of the challenges, but now people they get excited, they love the fire, they want to see the fire. So it's very fun. People are loving like everything now.
All right, no, nice one. I'm seeing a question on the screen, Batsi. What has been your most memorable performance thus far? So hamba one by one. I can imagine that my memorable performances are fun. Kuba khona nje lova ngathi ay yabona namuhla alidrum bengilo namuhla lomnyeve ngathi ay namhla ingoma beyivaya nafaya ngale ngathi ay yabona namhla I don't know namhla ngibashisile. So asicale ngakuwe Fire Ninja. I-show nje lo eva ngathi ayabona lamuhla.
Ay bese Kurumane in South Africa.
Yinje lo akuthanza ngayo le show.
The stage. The people. Yo ngangena ngakhala mos. Bengicala angathi ngitsini. Yeah, bengicala kubona abamvula abangaka. Like
and ba vibe now
ba vibe nami angathi
I hope you got your answer. DJ.
Okay, I think I can also say it's the same. For me it was Kuruman in Northern Cape. The energy, it was an energy that we had never seen. Biggest stage ever that we've never been to. The biggest crowd, and going from a place from Eswatini to Northern Cape, and for people to vibe with you like that, it's overwhelming. So it was like, the energy and the things that we did there were crazy.
All right.
All
right. Drummer boy.
Yeah, for me it's a show we did, I think one of our last shows in Limbombo, in a village called Molechi.
All right.
Yeah, I loved it so much. I mean, for me, I loved especially the experience of fireworks. We got to the midnight time, so when we were playing, the fireworks were going up, so you could just feel the stage like shaking. And I was there like, man, it's happening. This is it.
All right. Yeah, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Shepard Brothers just sharing with us their experience in the musical journey. We're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, they will be steady, ready, fire, go with their performance. So please clear out the living room, put on your dancing shoes, and get ready, because it's about to go down. Daniel Toro, take me to the break.
Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for!
DJ Khaled!
It is a day to celebrate.
We're ready for action. I like it when it's nice and soft. Yeah, that is nice.
How was it like growing up in Nigeria? Yes, sir, you know what it is.
Feeling is there that, you're doing something special.
Stop being so dramatic, Mira.
You should just be what you want to be.
Experience the extraordinary with StarSat.
beautiful. How we doing? Ndlela lomuhle ngayo ingisonzekela phawe. Sawubona kunjani mntwana muntu? Ndlela lomuhle ngayo ingisonzekela phawe. Ongika ngiphuze ngikhulume nawe. Oh baby, let me take you for a stroll. Oh yeah, start this honey. You've been running, racing in my thoughts all day. When anybody lately, from the kuluma nawe. Baby, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. From the kuluma nawe. Baby, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. From the kuluma nawe. Ngizolomsaba kusondzela kuwe. Luvalo esifubeni ngizulingqondo yami. Indlela lomuhle ngayo ayithanda ngempela. Ngizolomsaba kusondzela kuwe. Luvalo esifubeni ngizulingqondo yami. Indlela lomuhle ngayo ayithanda ngempela. You've been running, racing in my thoughts all day. Anybody there? From the kuluma nawe. You've been running, racing in my thoughts all day. sakudala ngithi uyabona ngalithatha gama lakho mangabuka ngikhona ube wakho wena ube wami dream catcher good things are coming your way oh no angifunile abanye mina ngifunela wena asiqhubeke sibavuthele ngeke sibheka kanjani masiphila sikanye kahle sengifikile angikunika thambo lwami wena yenza ungadadadeli angikunika thobo lwami wena yenza ungadadadeli
Bye.
badala ukuthi wena uzophindela ekhaya. Tshela badala ukuthi wena uzophindela ekhaya. Ngizodlela izilindile zithi mama uzojikela ekhaya. Ngizodlela izilindile zithi mama uzojikela ekhaya. Ulasondele, badala balindile, phindela ekhaya sithandwa sami. Ingane zikulindile, zikulindile. Uzovela kucaca ukuthi uthando lwangane. Uzobulila ujike ekhaya. Xoxela ingqondo kaludleki kaludlala ingobe. Uzobulila ujike ekhaya. Xoxela ingqondo kaludleki kaludlala ingobe. Uzobulila ujike ekhaya. Xoxela ingqondo kaludleki kaludlala ingobe.
Ngifonela wena asithobeka sibavuthele beke sibhekanja masiphila sikanyeka sengifikile Rami wena genza ungadadade mangikunika qobo lwami wena genza ungadadade Take your time.
Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for.
DJ Khaled!
It is a day to celebrate.
We're ready for action. I like it when it's nice and soft. Yeah, that is nice.
How was it like growing up in Nigeria? Yes, sir. You know what it is.
Feeling is there that, you're doing something special.
Stop being so dramatic, Mira.
You should just be what you want to be.
Experience the extraordinary with StarSat. Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for.
DJ Khaled!
It is a day to celebrate.
We're ready for action. I like it when it's nice and soft. Yeah, that is nice.
How was it like growing up in Nigeria? Yes, sir. You know what it is.
Feeling is there that, you're doing something special.
Stop being so dramatic, Mira.
You should just be what you want to be.
Experience the extraordinary with StarSat. Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for.
DJ Khaled!
It is a day to celebrate.
We're ready for action. I like it when it's nice and soft. Yeah, that is nice.
How was it like growing up in Nigeria? Yes, sir. You know what it is.
Feeling is there that, you're doing something special.
Stop being so dramatic, Mira.
You should just be what you want to be.
Experience the extraordinary with StarSat. Challenge your ordinary. Experience the extraordinary.
Not only the government, the municipality here has had no plan.
Now, I believe that my peace is my most valuable asset.
Absolutely beautiful!
This is exactly what I was looking for.
Oh yeah, and we're back like we never left. We're still out here in Bab City, the Cap City, coming at you live right here on Represent. Shout out to Daniel Toro of DTTV and of course Uncle Kali Platinum Concepts for putting together this right here. Daniel Shack is also in the building, taking pictures, making sure that we stay fresh, especially after this right here live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, the comment section has been going crazy as the Shepard Brothers were doing their thing fizzle right here. Akona King Terry Bengu says, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha. It had to be outside. My dudes are mad talented. Of course it had to be outside. What up, because next thing you know what I'm saying? We're out here having to call the fire people. Mobile Damini is just out here sending us some love as well, some fire flame emojis. La Cool the Cool who says big up to the brothers for keeping us entertained, just giving you guys some love. And of course Manya Tinkosapaya says Genza is my all-time favorite. Just dancing emojis all over the place. No see Lobza Twansi, we see you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Nondumiso Fundo Fagute says beautiful display by the Shepard Brothers. Nice one.
Thank you.
Nancy Stingray Israeli says they should be a constant feature at the prestigious bushfire event. They have lots of fire in the literal and figurative sense. Great combination of art and indeed a dope performance.
Wow, thank you.
Prince Noam Kolo says, let the blessing be in action. I think he's talking about the rain because you know what I'm saying. No, this, I don't know.
There's something.
Alright. X-Smile says, this is absolutely amazing. X-Smile all the way from Zimbabwe. Magadijo Babangala.
Nigga.
Hey, how you doing, man? You nice? Yeah, welcome to the show. Tada, he's also feeling Genza. My boys, I'm so proud of them. And my bro, KrTC, big up. Big up to you too, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been another exciting episode of Represent with the Shepard Brothers. Guys, thank you so much. How do people get a hold of you on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter?
It's at Shepard Brothers on Facebook.
Shepard Brothers on Facebook.
Instagram then at Shepard Brothers Twitter with a Z.
Hey! Shepard Brothers on Twitter with a Z. You must know. That's how we roll. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back right here next week, Thursday. We will obviously let you know who we got next on the show. But before that, on Sunday, we will give you a live stream of the Unleashed concert, which is going to be down at Chill and Grill in Ezulwini, featuring your boy, the KrTC of Hiphop. It's going to be a celebration of the 25th of April, something that we all the way until now, until next year, until every other year. I don't know. Uncle Kali, are we ever going to retire? I don't think so. I don't think so. You know what I mean? They say you retire from what you do, but you don't retire from who you are. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's peace, love, and happiness. We'll see you next week right here on Represent. But before then, we'll catch you on Sunday at the concert. Peace.